Hey guys, Omar here from O2 and Shan, GVG Guy vs. Gal. We are here for a toy hunt special. So we're at a Walmart here, and I'm just trying to check some things out, see if you can help me out. Alright, so there are a couple things here. I was looking at these cupcakes, and they actually smell ridiculously good. They're called Cupcake Surprises. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those before, but they are crazy smelly good. Almost convinced to buy one, but let's keep looking around to see what else we can find here. Let's see. So we've never done any Mad Balls, but I'm not a huge fan of Mad Balls. Let me know if you guys are. Not a big fan. Let's find something else. What can we find here that we would want to get? Let's see. I don't see anything down this aisle. Of course, we love wrestlers. They're pretty good. Let's see. Alright, so we do have some Disney Crossy Road items here. Those are always cool. But I think we have a couple of those already, so let's keep looking up. Somebody hit a grocery gang. It's right there. Let's see what else we have. Adventure time. Grab your friends. Very nice. Let's see. We don't have any of these yet. Alright, let's keep looking. Some of the older pops there. See. Nah. Alright, so we found some alien sludge here. Let's see what this looks like. So this is actually pretty cool. You guys know I am horrible at making slime, sludge, and everything. I've never seen alien sludge. So it's not from Earth. So this actually feels quite good. We might have to get some of this alien sludge here. Let's see, they also have some putty. I like noise putty. Putty is always a fun thing to play with. We tried to make some putty, and that did not turn out so well either. Let's see what else we can find. I am a slime fan. I'm gonna get this putty, and I might try to eat it. As long as it's not toxic. We'll see. Let's keep going. You know what I'm really looking for are some squishies to cut up. I don't know if Walmart sells squishies, so we'll keep walking around to see if we can find any. Let's find out. Ooh, so look at what we have here. We have Easy Bakes. I love making these Easy Bake cookies. Sometimes they turn out disgusting, but I know Shan loves the pretzels. So maybe we'll try one of those. Let me know if you guys have tried those before. We may try some Easy Bake. Let's look for some squishies. That's what we want, squishies. Let's see where they are. Alright, let's see. Got My Little Pony the movie. So this one's brand new. This movie just came out, so I have to check some of those out. Don't see any squishies yet. Alright, I see some Shopkins. These are the older Shopkins, so we don't need those. Here's the World Vacation Season 8. We do have some of those. This is a big box. And let's see what else. We have our Num Nums. Oh yeah, these smell great. Love us some Num Nums. See what else we can find. Uh-oh, hold up. What do we have here? Hold up. I think we found some squishies. Oh, let's take a look. Let's see if they squish. Hey guys, look at this. We found some slow rise squishies. So who are these made by? Because I've never seen them at Walmart. These are soft and slow. All right, so they have pancakes. Ooh, they have peanut butter and jelly sandwich, my favorite. Let's see. Very cool. What else do we have here? Ooh, they have a cake. A slice of cake. Very, very slow rise. So squishies that are slow rising. Look at that. Very cool. All right, what else do they have? This is, oh, my favorite. Don't play with me. They have a cinnamon bun. Oh. Look at that. Oh, you can't tell me that's not cool. Oh, I may have to get some of these. All right. First, I think I need to get my slime. I'm gonna do squishies. I want to cut open some more squishies. All right, let's see if we can make a meal. Maybe we'll get one of these squishies with some slime and try to make some food. We have to go with the cinnamon bun, don't you think? The cinnamon bun is so cool. All right, so let's see what we can get here. Let's see if there's anything else. Let's keep looking. Let's see. You see anything else? All right, I hear kids crying. I don't see the Hatchimals. Oh, this is a big boy. So this is the glitter Hatchimal. I don't think we've done a glitter yet. Let's see what else we have here. Anything else? I don't see anything. Oh, of course you have the Elena Avalar. I'm such a great guitar player. Elena Avalar. I'm a guitar player. Enough of that. Alright, so here's what we got so far. Got some squishies, we got some alien sauce that we'll play with. And we'll just keep looking around. I do not see anything else here as of right now. So maybe we'll just stick to what we have. We will see what else we can find. Alright guys, before we go, I see this little horsey here. You think I can ride it? What if I ride it around Walmart? I'm on a horse. You think I'll get in trouble? Hey, he didn't ride too well. We'll put him up. What about... Oh, I think the horse almost broke. All right, so what about these? Have you ever been in a hospital and been injured? Well, you need a wheelchair to get around. Let's see who can fit in these wheelchairs. You think I can fit? That's not gonna work. It's gonna break. That's not gonna happen. Let's try something else. Let's just move along. What else do we see here? Alright guys, at your local Walmart, make sure you always go to the section marked clearance. You're always gonna find some good stuff here. Let's check it out and see what we can find. Alright, so the clearance section is gonna have things scattered everywhere. But you're gonna have some pretty cool stuff. Let's see. Brickheads. We see some Tsum Tsum stuff on sale. Of course, we have a lot of Tsum Tsum fans. As well as we are Tsum Tsum fans. A lot of different toys here. You got Star Wars puzzles. I think they even have some, oh, look at these. They have some Funko superheroes, some DC comics, some vinyl figures. Transformers, let's see. Got some blind bags here. See some Mickey Mouse. All right, let's go to the next section. We have here some more Tsum Tsums. Okay. Some Funkos from Wonder Woman, all on sale. Okay. Got emojis, Friday Night at Freddy's. Alright guys, so we are done with our shopping trip here at Walmart. We were able to go on a shopping spree and get some squishies and some slime. So we are going to be able to cut up some squishies and play with some slime. So appreciate you guys coming with us on our toy haul, toy hunt. We will see you guys later. O2 and Shan GBG. We'll check you out soon. Peace.